Welcome back to Leighton Vans. So we've got something a bit different today. We are down at our workshop HQ2. So we like to make sure that we have products to suit all of our customers' needs. So we're excited to announce that we are now working with OVANO. So we will be supplying their awesome bed, bulkhead and storage unit. So we're here with Josh today from OVANO, and he's just going to be showing the guys in the workshop just how to fit the unit themselves. So Josh, if you'd just like to tell us a bit about your product, just for the people that don't know.
Yeah, cool. So, like I said, we're from OVANO. We produce and install bed systems for combis predominantly. They also the defining feature is arguably the kind of large drawer, which carries up to 180 kilos, and it also the top lifts up to become a bulkhead. So we're kind of targeting the kind of in between camper and day van, so it kind of versatile, multifunctional unit, which kind of caters to everyone.
Yeah, awesome. So yeah, let's crack on, and we'll start getting it loaded up into the van.
So we have just finished installing our Switch XL into this combi here. As you can see, we've got just finished it off with a bike bar, and we've just thrown a bike in as a reference here, just to show you can get two bikes up on top, which is pretty handy for a lot of mountain bikers and things out there. We've just given you a little run through how the bulkhead works, the full bed works with the combi seats folded down, and the mini bulkhead setup and the full the drawer in and out, just showing you how it goes in and out. So here we've installed one of our B-pillar swing out tables as well. You can use it inside the van, swings outside the van, and it also stows perfectly on the X at the back of our unit there with the combination of the table storage brackets. So it stows neatly away when not in use.
So that's it, guys, the first OVANO bed that we have had fitted into one of our vans. So thank you very much for coming down to us today and showing the guys how to fit them. Greatly appreciated, especially with that 3-hour drive this morning. So if you are interested, we will now be fitting them in our workshop, so we can do it to a van that you're looking to purchase, or if you're wanting to bring your van into ourselves and have one of them fitted, we are offering a drop ship option as well. So we'll be more than happy to send them out as well to you guys. So if you are interested, as per usual, just give us a call on the office number or send us across an inquiry to service at Leighton Vans. Thank you very much.
Thanks for having me.
And yeah, great to meet you. And that's all, guys. Thank you very much.